आज का दिन कितना खूबसूरत है।
What a beautiful day today. What a beautiful day today.
वो यह कैसे करती है?
How does she do this? How does she do this?
मैं तुम्हारे अतीत के बारे में सब कुछ जानता हूँ।
I know everything about your past. I know everything about your past.
हम अभी भी वहीं हैं।
We are still there. We are still there.
क्या मैं आपकी जगह पर आऊँगा?
Will I come to your place? Will I come to your place?
क्या तुम अब भी मेरे बारे में सोचते हो?
Do you still think about me? Do you still think about me?
मैं तुम्हें कभी नहीं भूलूंगा।
I will never forget you. I will never forget you.
वो यहाँ रोज सुबह आती है।
She comes here every morning. She comes here every morning.
मैं उसे रोज सुबह देखता हूँ।
I see him every morning. I see him every morning.
अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
What should I do now? What should I do now?
क्या तुमने सुना कि मैंने क्या कहा?
Did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said?
वो मुझे देख रही है।
She is looking at me. She is looking at me.
आप किस देश से हैं?
What country are you from? What country are you from?
इसलिए मैं आपको बहुत पसंद करता हूँ।
That's why I like you so much. That's why I like you so much.
मैं उसके जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ।
I want to be like her. I want to be like her.
उसकी एक दुर्घटना में मृत्यु हो गई।
He died in an accident. He died in an accident.
मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
I don't want anything. I don't want anything.
मैंने इसे पहली बार सुना।
I heard it for the first time. I heard it for the first time.
यह बहुत महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है।
It's not too important. It's not too important.
मुझे किताबें पढ़ना पसंद नहीं है।
I don't like reading books. I don't like reading books.
मुझे आप जैसे लोग पसंद नहीं हैं।
I don't like people like you. I don't like people like you.
नहीं, मेरा घर बगल के गांव में है।
No, my house is in the next village. No, my house is in the next village.
तुम्हारी किससे बातचीत हो रही है?
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
मैं अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा हूँ।
I am talking to my friend. I am talking to my friend.
तुम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो?
Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about?
वो अभी यह नहीं जानता।
He doesn't know it yet. He doesn't know it yet.
वो जानती है कि वो क्या चाहता है।
She knows what he wants. She knows what he wants.
क्या वो आपके साथ रहा?
Did he stay with you? Did he stay with you?
मुझे इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है।
I have no idea about that. I have no idea about that.
मैं जल्द ही आपके लिए कुछ करूंगा।
I will do something for you soon. I will do something for you soon.
मैं आपकी तरह काम नहीं करता।
I don't work like you. I don't work like you.
हम अभी तक वहां नहीं पहुंचे हैं।
We haven't gotten there yet. We haven't gotten there yet.
वहां पहुंचने में कितना समय लगेगा?
How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there?